do some slime. But I'm going to make some slime. Okay, this slime always has slime in it, but I don't have another container. This slime is really sticky. I probably need to put this in some stuff. Note that I'm just doing that. I know I'm going to put this extra slime, guys. Ew, a bug. You don't have bugs. Okay, yeah. I'm going to be making some slime today. Container. You guys wanted me to make some blindfolded, but I already did a part 1 and a part 2 already, and you guys already said part 2, so I already did it, so I'm not going to do a blindfolded again, because I don't want to. But today I'm going to be making real fluffy slime. So I have my activator, and I already have leftover activators, so I don't really have to make any. This is my mixing spoon to like make my slime, and this is my spoon to wax. I need to just get my paint in here. Slime material. Okay, I don't know what color I'm gonna make slime, but I'm going to think. So, first I'm going to add some of this iMagic glue. And before I get onto the video, if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you're a new person and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on my post notifications when you see any of my videos. Subscribe, give me a like, and comment down below when you've done those things, and leave a nice comment. And then you might get a shout out. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, it's like a cap on it, so I have to take this cap off. I'm going to put it in the trash can right here, my mini trash can. Like, me and my sister's share room. This is my bed. That's her bed over there. Okay, so the next thing we're going to add is some seasoning green. And I'm at this cool, like, desk. This is my squishy desk. Like, all my squishies are here. See, there's all my squishies, my homemade papers, and reels. This is my squishy desk, and then my squishy desk thing. And then my slime stuff is, like, over here. And these two jars. Or it's not really jars, but it's things. And then my mat for like my gymnastics is in my mom's and dad's room under the special guest bed. Well, it used to be my bed, but I got another bed, so. I'm not going to try to make a real fluffy slime because I don't really want to make a real fluffy slime. I forgot I even have lotion. Okay, now I'm going to mix it all together. It's like really creamy. really creamy, guys. I don't even know if it's gonna make it into slime because it's really creamy. Like, it's really liquid. I think I need to add a little bit more shade color. No, I'm not gonna add any. I want to see how it's gonna turn out first, and I'm gonna add some more shading cream at the end. And I know today I am not really exciteful because I don't know why, but I need to think what colors I'm gonna mix. I think I'm gonna mix red, some yellow, I guess. And I don't know about doing green. I think I'm going to do a little bit of black. I'm going to see what color it makes. But first, I'm going to see what color this makes. Hopefully, it kind of makes like a pinkish. Yeah, it makes like a peachy kind of. And I really want a peachy kind of, so I'm going to add a little bit of white. The light's not coming down. I don't want to. But I think I'm going to go with... Oh, yeah, it's a black. But I really want a kind of peachy color. I don't have any more yellow. That was my last of it. I'm going to put in some more paint. I think I'm going to do a little bit of green. Hopefully that makes the peachy color. Why is this not coming out? I have some. So why is it not coming out? Okay, I'm adding green to it. Maybe that makes it kind of... Oh, it is kind of making it like peach. I like this color. I like a peachy color. Excuse me. I like this color. It's like really pretty. Excuse me. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, why do it look white from the side on the camera? But it is really pretty. I'm gonna get some more green. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh. How is it making this pretty nice color? It's so light and things like that. It's really light. I'm gonna do some white just for fun. Oh. Okay, I'm doing some white, and this is kind of like a grayish whitish, but it's not gonna like make me sound any different. Yeah, it's not. It's really pretty. We're gonna add a little more red because I think it's getting way too like a gray kind of color. Just 2 drops of red. I need to put the tops back on these two. Cool. It's really cool. Let's see what color it makes. It's not really getting any better. I think I'm gonna add in some more. Oh my god. It's not coming out. Okay. It's gonna come out. Because the red is like the most behavior one. This is the prettiest. And I'm in the room by myself. Saying, I am definitely gonna get this. Oh my god. Oh, it's kind of like a violet. Oh no, it's not. It was, but like when I started mixing it in, it turned like back to like the peachy color. And I do like the peachy color, just saying. Really like the peachy color. This is the best. Okay, I think this one is enough. It's too good to add anymore. Okay, this is the best one ever. But I'm gonna have like my sleeves. Okay, is that some slime on my blood? Not even coming out. Oh yeah, I'm not in. Ooh, I forgot to know. I don't want this one to be too activator kind of thing. I think it's not really coming together. It is coming together. It's like really lumpy. So I guess I'm gonna need some more activator. Come on, come on. I'm doing it really slow. Okay, go. It is coming together on the sides. You guys can't, oh, you can see on the bottom, it is coming together. Ah, we're gonna need some more activators. These are the best color slime I've ever made. Alright guys, so I'm going to start using my hands right now, because I think it's the time to need. My scissors just went down. Oh, you guys probably, why do it look so ugly in the camera? It looks so pretty. I think I'm gonna set it on the table because I think it's good to set on the table right now. It is really cool. Ew, what is in it? Whatever's in it, I need to get out because I love this slime. This is like the best slime ever, but it's really it's the best. I don't really want to make two hands, but I guess I have to do it. I want this slime to be good slime. They're probably gonna need some more glue because it's a little hard, to be honest. It smells really good though. Guys, smell it. Smell it. Can't smell it through the camera. It is really sticky, but I'm gonna have to deal with the stickiness because this actually feels really good. I think I'm gonna have to keep on eating because this feels really good, and I do not want to add any more activator. I don't want to add any more glue or anything, and I don't want to add any more shaving cream. So that's why I didn't. I'm not. You hear that crunch sound? Oh gosh, this is the best. I haven't made slime like this in a long time because I haven't really made slime in a long time, but I haven't made slime like this in a long time. This is like the best slime ever. It's not really the best peachy color. Guys, it's just gonna look shit. That's supposed to put activator on it or something? You guys told me to put activator on it when you get ruined. But I don't think it's gonna do any better, so I'm gonna put some shaving cream on it. I put some shaving cream on my clothes. I can do messy though. Yeah, is that gonna work? Oh no, I'm not putting that in my slime. Every part that got shaving cream on it, I'm taking it out. Because I'm not put that in my slime. Well, I'm not really gonna want to put activator in it. Because I don't want to put activator on my shirt. Like, Why would I put like sodium acetate on my shirt? This is the best. I would do another video, but thanks for watching.